1970, two passenger jets collided in flight over Albuquerque, New Mexico, causing the engines of one of the planes to stop. After falling for thousands of feet, the jet collided with yet another plane, which miraculously caused the engines to start up again. The incident drew attention to flight regulation, and the Aeronautic Control Act was passed the next year in response. Some airlines have rules about nose hair for flight attendants. Some airlines restrict the pilot and co-pilot from eating the same meal or going to the same restaurant before a flight. Most airlines limit certain employees from chit-chatting until they're above 10,000 feet in altitude. Some airlines equip employees with taser guns. If the entire population of Ohio traveled one time by airplane this year, the current statistics would predict only one death from a plane crash. Air travel is so safe that even among those who experience a plane crash, over 90% survive. In fact, more people die from plane exhaust each year than from plane crashes. Traffic control really started as early as the 1930s, and the National Air Traffic Controllers Association wasn't founded until 1987.